Welcome to the next lecture. So in the last class, I have been asked you all to check whether the given function is continuous function or not. How many of you got the answer? If you got the answer, you can drop your answer in the comment section. If you are really liking our lectures, please click that like button and share your videos with all your friends. Okay, let us see the solution for this question. See, given it is f of x equal to mod of x plus 1. In the last lecture, what we saw is, suppose if the given function is mod x, then this function can be written in two form. One is minus x, I can break this into two of minus x when x is less than 0, yes sir. It will be plus x when x is greater than 0. Of course, it will be 0 when x equal to 0. We can write mod x like this. In the same way, if I am talking about x plus 1, now you should think, sir, how should I break these limits? That might be your big doubt. See there, mod x means basically if I am equating this function directly to 0, what will be getting? X equal to 0 is the intercutting point on the x-axis. Similarly, in order to know the breaking point on x-axis, always equate this function to 0. If I am equating x plus 1 equal to 0, then it will be giving x equal to minus 1. So, it is clearly indicate that the given function is getting braked on x-axis at x equal to minus 1. Breaking means this function is cutting 0 crossing point. That function is called, that is the function is crossing the 0 point. That is called 0 crossing point. Now, we can break. So, what is the conclusion here? At x equal to minus 1, right, your mod x might be coming like this, and at x equal to minus 1 it will be crossing 0, then it is traveling somewhere. So, once again, from left hand side, if you are doing something, then that will be defined a minus. If you are deriving something from, if you are arriving to some point from right hand side, then that will be defined as a plus. Specifically at this point we can define it as a. Sir, how did you draw this graph at all? Don't worry, everything I will be bringing slowly. First you have to understand. So, okay sir, now you understood how to break this mod? Yes. So, let us take the mod function. Given it is mod of x plus 1, from this I can simply say that the value of mod of x plus 1, this can be always mod x can be broken into two of, one is minus, another one is plus. Now, I am putting minus of whole function x plus 1, it will be minus when the value of x is less than minus 1. See, just now we found the breaking point. With the help of breaking point, you can break it into left half and right half. Left half will be minus of your given function, right half means plus x plus 1, and that will happen when the value of x will become greater than minus 1. Okay sir. Suppose if the value of x is exactly equal to minus 1, then what you will be getting? You will be getting 0. So, now we learned how to break this mod function. Anyway, the question is whether the given function is continuous or not. We are checking whether the given function is continuous or not. Shall we start that? Yes sir. So, let us start. So, the solution for this given function is, first step what we have to take? We have to take left hand side limit. That can be written as limit x will be approaching, left hand side means a minus f of x. Sir, how can I derive this? This can be derived. Let me proceed further. Limit, what is the value of x here? X is minus 1 sir. From left hand side means I have to keep this minus into f of x. Next, for the f of x, what we will put here? F of x means, see, I am considering left hand side. It means I am traveling from left hand side. Always in x axis we know we are breaking the x axis into two parts. One is towards left hand side all your values are negative, towards right hand side all your values are positive, or it is depends on your selection point. See, always if you select any point, you will be having two sides, one is right side, another one is left side. Even if I will select some point on the right side also, you will be having two sides, one is left hand side, another one is right hand side. So, from this selection point, left hand side means you have to consider less than, right hand side means you have to consider greater than, exactly at that point you have to consider equal. So, we are going to consider 3 points. Now, if you observe, I have also defined your limits in the same way. See there, what I did here? Less than means it is left hand side limit we are talking about. Greater than means I am talking about right hand side limit. Equal to means I am exactly talking about that specific point. Understood? So, let us continue from here. So, anyway, we are here, we are in left hand side. Left hand side means when x is less than 1, what is the value of f of x? Minus of x plus 1. Let us substitute that. Limit x is approaching minus 1 sir, undoubtedly there is no doubt, whereas the value of x is f of x is minus x plus 1. Can you please substitute the value? If I will substitute in place of x, if I will substitute this minus 1, you will be getting minus 1 plus 1 will be 0, minus of 0 will become 0 only. So, we found successfully, we found the value of left hand side limit. Now, it is time to explore the value of right hand side limit also. You can also choose your own choice, you can try from your side now. Right hand side limit. Sir, how can I do this? Again, start from limit. What you have to do? X is approaching from a plus and the function is going to be f of x. So, left hand side limit means greater than, you know how to define that. So, let me define limit x approaching right hand side limit means, you know, the value of a is minus 1, right hand side means we have to put plus and go back. The value of f of x is defined as plus x plus 1 when we are traveling from right hand side limit. Okay sir, now this function can be written as x plus 1. X plus 1. Now, what we have to do? Replace x by minus 1. So, minus 1 plus 1 will become 0 once again. Yes sir. So, we found the value of left hand side limit. We also found the value of right hand side limit. Now, exactly at x equal to a. Here a is minus 1. At x equal to a, we have to define the function. How should I define this? At x equal to a, you can take the direct function. It will be mod of x plus 1. If I am substituting in place of x, if I will be substituting minus 1, what you will be getting? It will become 0 only. So, finally, what is the conclusion here? If you carefully observe the resultant answer that we have been observed in our expressions, what we got? See there. First case, left hand side limit 0 sir, right hand side limit 0 sir, at a specific point 0 sir. So, what is the conclusion? This given function is equal in all cases. So, I can write the conclusion is limit from left, I am directly writing the answer now. If I am writing it, limit when I am approaching it from left hand side minus 1 minus f of x, we got 0, this will be equal to limit at the center point, I was directly substituting at a specific point, that is f of x, this will be equal to left hand side limit equal to at this specific point limit equal to right hand side limit, x will be approaching it from minus 1 from right hand side, from right hand side. So, see there, all this condition has been satisfied. Whenever if the given function is satisfied this condition, in the same approach that we did, you have to follow this. So, if your function is satisfied this condition, automatically you can say that the given function is continuous everywhere. So, the given function is continuous at all points. So, the given function is continuous everywhere on x axis or the given domain, that is all. So, that is the correct answer for the given question. Now, it is time to explore the next function. Let us see, if you are taking one more function, let me bring 1 minute. Yeah, see, I am giving that question as your homework question. You can spend your time, sometimes spend your time and try to understand the question, then you can drop your answer. Okay. So, the given function is 1 minute, let me write, yes. So, the value of f of x is defined as mod x. Okay sir, this is given, but the question is whether the differentiated version means f dash of x, you have to find out the value of f dash of x. After finding the f dash of x, they are asking whether the f dash of x is continuous or not. How many of you know the differentiation for f of x, that is mod x? If you differentiate mod x, then what you will be getting? That is the question mark. First, what you have to do is spend some time and understand, if I will differentiate mod x, then what I will be getting. You can search anywhere just to learn it and then try to find whether the differentiated version f dash of x means, if I will differentiate mod x, then what I will be getting. Then how to check whether the f dash of x is continuous or not. Spend some time, apply your smart mind, try to bring the answer. This is all for this lecture. Remaining things we will see in the next class. Thank you all.